It looks like it's secured on there pretty good. So today's video is kind of a special one. A friend came to me with this doll because this doll has a problem. One of the problems is this. She came to me and asked if I could fix her hairdo and attach her head. So let's do it. First things first, I'd like to look at the state of her neck to see if it's possible to reattach her head. Now I have seen these Disney dolls before, and how they're connected is a little different than Barbie dolls. As you can see in here, we still have the neck peg. Sorry, Cinderella. So let's see if we can fix that up. So everyone, be careful with this. This stuff, what? Oh, that's why. No wonder my mom told me to be careful. I don't know what I'm doing. Super glue is genuinely just frightening. I succeeded without gluing my fingers together. We're gonna let that dry and hope it stays. It's working. I'm going to study her hairstyle because we need to redo it, and I want to make sure that it's very similar to how it is original. Since she does have some like frizzy ends here in her bangs, the glue in it is still there, but they just aren't together anymore. I'm going to want to give her a hot water treatment. And if you've watched my videos or any doll makeover videos, you know what that is. I'm just gonna let her soak in there for a second. I genuinely apologize if this horrifies anyone. I really apologize for the ugly brown towel. I have yet to get a silicone craft mat because I can't make decisions. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button. Turns out not even 5% of my viewers are subscribed, so I appreciate that so much. Thank you. I need to rinse her bangs off because the glue is still on them, so I'm gonna go to my sink to rinse them off. Oh, they look so much better, and we will fix them to stay in place as well. So for now though, they're clean. Okay, so I've attached her regular clear band. Now, as you know, when I took out the part that attaches this here, it was just like one of those plastic pieces like that would hold a Barbie doll into a package. I don't have those, but I do have fishing line, and that's what I'm going to use today. I'm threading it onto a sewing needle, and then I'm going to prepare her hair. I'm brushing it, rolling it up as much as I can, and then I'm putting the string around the inner curl. If you can see what I'm doing here, I kind of want to replicate how it was originally. I'm poking the needle through a hole in her head, pulling it out, and securing it so it all stays in place. So here's how it came out, and I'm sure you can notice the only problem that I'm having is those little short hairs that were back here that was the problem in the first place are a little too short, and they're making it look messy. The little bun looks a lot better once those little frizzies are away. I don't want to cut her hair off, so what we're gonna do, we'll cover up this elastic. So here is how it turned out. What do you think? I think it came out very good, and I hope Cinderella's owner is happy with it too. There goes my dog again. We need to style her bangs. Oh, she's got some fuzz in there still and some long pieces. And I know, maybe you're saying like,
oh my gosh, you ruined it. Now they don't curl. Now there's something wrong with them because you took the glue out. Ah!
Okay, just kidding, you're probably not thinking that, but we had to take the glue out because it was turning them brown. It was making them sticky. So what I'm going to do is get my trusty styling gel. To make sure that her bangs stay, I'm taking a straw. Scratch that, it's not big enough. I'm gonna take a pipe cleaner. I'll close it around the ends, and then I'm gonna just roll it up real tight. Cut. And hopefully that will lock them in. So we need to test to make sure that her bun is gonna be semi-stable. It looks like it's secured on there pretty good, and it's not frizzy in the back. So I think we're gonna call that a win. We're gonna wait on her bangs. Oh yeah. While we're waiting for her bangs to just set, let's take a look at the neck peg. Looks like it didn't do a good job. Okay, I waited a long while to let this dry, and I think it's a lot more stable now. Hey, we're just gonna have to give it a go. These do just kind of pop in here. I'm gonna pop her head on here. All right. She seems to be in working order. Release her bangs. I think it worked. So here she is. Her hair styled and fixed. I think it looks a lot better. What do you think before and after? And that is Cinderella, all fixed up. She's ready to go back to her original home. This was so much fun. I have actually not fixed up a whole lot of old dolls, and I was so glad that I was able to fix up this Cinderella. She is all ready to go back and have some amazing adventures. Well, that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye!